We got 2 brand new tires for my fronts, and this car's been sitting for like a week. So as y'all can see, we went ahead and got the new tires put on. Now we just gotta throw the wheels back on the car. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now before we get started, I need y'all to hit that like button for me, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop, and y'all won't miss a video anytime I drop. Y'all be right on top of it, you know what I'm saying? So this video, we finally finna have all 4 brand new tires. So as y'all can see behind me, we got 2 brand new tires for my fronts. And this car's been sitting for like a week because my tire, it went flat, and I knew it was gonna happen sooner or later. That's why I had stopped driving it for this past week. And during this week, one of the front tires ended up going flat, so went ahead and got 2 new ones. As y'all can see, brand new, not no used tires, brand new tires, and they line hearts. These tires, I mean, they ain't cheap, but they not too expensive either. They like $130 a piece. So close to $300, you feel me? And which was money I was trying to put towards the Cutlass, but you feel me? This is my daily driver. I need to have this car running. Now, I was gonna get these tires put on, but I was not gonna throw the wheels back on. But I think when me and my dad was moving into his car shop a couple years ago, we ended up losing or either putting the wheel in storage, one of my stock wheels. So I can't find them. So if y'all look here, I was planning on putting my stocks on today. I got all 4 of my hubcaps, all 4 of them, and I was planning on putting these on today, you know what I'm saying? But I can't find one freaking stock wheel. I'm missing one. And like I said, we either put it in storage, or that's the only other place it could be, because I went and searched our whole shop and I couldn't find it, so it gotta be in storage. But yeah, so once I'm able to find that wheel, then we're gonna end up throwing these stock wheels back on. But for now, I'm gonna have to throw my 22s back on. But like I said, I wanted to take my 22s off for the winter time and throw these stocks on, and then put my 22s back on for summertime. But I can't find the one wheel. I have the other 3 here with me, and I'm gonna show y'all in a second once I get out. But I'm missing, as y'all can see, well, I got all 4 hubcaps, so I'm missing one wheel. And y'all, like I said, y'all will see once we get out. But we're gonna be taking off the front 2 wheels, going to get the tires put on. Then I'm gonna have to throw these back on. Like I said, I didn't want to. I wanted to throw my stocks on and ride the stocks for the winter time, and then throw my 22s back on for the spring. But until then, we're just gonna have to keep riding with the 22s. It'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? It ain't really gonna hurt nothing, because I've been doing it for a while. But I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, switch it up, you feel me? People so used to seeing my car all red, and I just wanted to throw my stocks on there. You know what I'm saying? Just be a little different. Now, one of these hubcaps do need to be repainted. Yeah, that one. But it don't bother me. Like I said, I just wanted to throw these on, but I can't find one stock wheel. So, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all my other 3 stocks that I do have. I got them behind my Cutlass right now, you feel me? But yeah, until then, we're just gonna keep rocking out with the 22s. Once I'm able to find that last stock wheel, it's a 17. So once I'm able to find my last stock, we're gonna end up taking these off and put my stocks on for the winter, or for the rest of winter. It's still fall right now, but maybe by the time y'all getting this, winter it's already started. I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna just get the 22s redone. Well, get the new tires put on, and as y'all can see, brand new tires, 2 of them, and they're going on the front. We already did the rears like a month and a half ago, if y'all remember that. 2 months ago, something like that. So we already got the rear tires brand new on. We just gotta get the front. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. So I hope y'all ready. It should be pretty quick and simple. All we're gonna do is take the wheel off and then take it to the tire shop, get the tires put on. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a second. I'm gonna show y'all my stock wheels. All right, y'all, so here go my stocks. This is what I was telling y'all. So these are 17s, and like I said, I'm missing one. I don't know what the other one is. I mean, I have one stock wheel that's already a silver wheel, but it got, you feel me, spokes. It's not this circle one to where you can put hubcaps with it. But yeah, 1, 2, 3. And like I said, I can't put them on because I'm missing one. And these tires got pretty decent tread, not the best, but you feel me, they will last me through the winter. You know what I'm saying? So this one kind of bald. This bald right here, this side, pretty good. I mean, I needed an alignment. But yeah, these was the wheels I was gonna put on. I was gonna clean them up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know that. And then we was gonna, after we cleaned them up, we was gonna throw the hubcaps on there. But can't do that because I gotta find my other wheel. So once I find my other wheel, then we're gonna throw the stocks on. But until then, like I said, we're gonna rock out with the 22. So let's get ready to take them off. All right, y'all, so now all we really gotta do is just get these lugs off and then finish jacking up the car. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Should be pretty quick, simple, straightforward. I'm gonna show y'all where the tires messed up at, and y'all already know it's the inside of the tire again. My center cap off. All right. Wrong size. 19. Yep. All right. Break these loose. Two of them. Three. Alright, one more. Four. And then this is my lock, my lug lock. Alright. Got all of them off, and I know y'all gonna be tired of me because we're using the power tool today. It's almost dead though, but we're gonna use what we can with it. Ooh. Alright, so y'all can tell right here, and it's from the car just sitting. Yeah, it was definitely time. And then we're gonna go from that to these brand new ones. As y'all can tell, sticker still on them. Yep. We're gonna come up off of these. This tire completely flat too. But yeah, just gotta drop these off to the mechanic shop now. And then throw them back on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my jack stands up under here too. Hold on. just in case, just to be careful. Can never be too careful. Let me take a picture of this wheel. Alright. So yeah. So y'all, let me go ahead and get this wheel to the mechanic shop and get the other side taken off. And once I get all that done, then I'm gonna come back to y'all once the new tires are on, you know. So yeah, I gotta get the other side taken off, then get the new tires put on, throw the wheels back on, and this car is done. And then I still gotta find my stocks, cause I done put them in here just so I can remind myself, cause I be forgetting stuff a lot, y'all. So I went ahead and put them in here with the center caps. That's what they look like with the center caps. This one. That's what it looked like. So yeah, once I'm able to find that last wheel, man, we're gonna throw the stocks on. But for now, I'm just keep these in here, like I said, to remind myself to look for them. I'm gonna check my shed with my wheels in it, with my rims in it, my 22s, 24s, 26s. Yeah, that's all the sizes I got. So I'm gonna check my shed with my rims in it. It might be in there. I've already checked my dash shop twice now. Then I'm gonna have to hit the road and go to our storage building and see if it's in the storage unit. But yeah, I gotta find them. We gotta get these put on. So yeah, it should be pretty quick, simple, and easy. And also today, I want to show y'all. Hopefully y'all watching this through. But my new spray paint came in the mail. So today I'm gonna try to paint them door panels today, so I can have that out the way. You know what I'm saying? Before the car go to the shop on Monday, which is today is the 3rd. So it go to the shop in 3 days. The Cutlass do, y'all know. So yeah, let me get that other side taken off, take these to the shop, get them put on. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all once we get the wheels back. Man, so as y'all can see, we went ahead and got the new tires put on. Now we just gotta throw the wheels back on the car. And y'all know these tires are directional. So this is the passenger side and this the driver side. So yeah, let's go ahead and put them back on. Put them back onto the car. See y'all about. Yeah, they look about good. Alright, got my center caps. Yep. So let's throw these back on. I just stuck them on there so I wouldn't lose these lugs. Where's my lug? Let's go on the other side. Alright, throw this wheel on. Make sure y'all can see pretty good. I'll go over there. Alright. Now this should go. I hate putting fresh tires on with a whole lot of earring, cause they be so heavy. Got it. Ooh wee. That was a struggle. Alright, go ahead and get these lugs on and we will be completely done. We're getting tires for a little while, but y'all know this is my daily and I drive this all the time, so we will be needing tires probably again, like half a year, something like that. I drive this car on a day-to-day basis, you know what I'm saying? Drive this car every day. I ain't gonna be able to tighten these up until I lower the other side, so yeah. So let me go ahead and put the other side on, but as y'all can tell, or as y'all can see, somebody banging. Goodness. But yeah, brand new tires on the car. Hold on. Yeah, somebody, he banging. But yeah, let me get the other side on. I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, y'all, just like that, we got new tires up on the car. And my center cap's back on. And then go to this side. Same thing, brand new tires. So now we got all 4 new tires, as y'all know, and as y'all can see. Ooh. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I got my daily driver back, you feel me? It's been sitting for about a week because, you feel me, I knew my tires finna go ahead and start earning out, so I just let it be, you feel me? I stopped driving it. And I started exercising more, you know what I'm saying? So I've been bike riding a little bit more. I finna start running more. And then I wanna start going to the gym more, you feel me? And then just hoop, you feel me? That keep me in shape, you feel me? So yeah, I'm finna, like I said, I'm gonna keep looking for my stock wheel. Try to see if I can find my other stock wheel so I can throw that on here, or throw all of them on here and get these 22s off, cause you know, so I don't wanna drive with these on in the winter. I'd rather have my stocks on, and springtime come, we'll throw the 22s back on. But if I can't find it, then it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm just let it be. But as y'all can see, we got them in the back. And hopefully I can find that one last wheel. I just need one, I'm missing one. But got my daily driver back, like I said. All 4 new tires finally. Well, the rear tires are like a month and a half old, 2 months, something like that. So, and then we got new front tires on today. So hopefully this car starts up, because it's been sitting for a minute. But I put a brand new battery on here like a year ago, and this battery been strong, been doing good, you feel me? So yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. If y'all got dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals. Don't do it because I'm telling y'all to, but do it because it'll be something you want to do, you know? Do it because you want to do it, you feel me? So I'm going after my dream right now, which is recording these videos for y'all, and then uploading them and working on these cars, building these cars. So I'm chasing my dream. Even if it don't work out, I can at least say that I tried and I gave it my all. And I want y'all to be able to do the same thing. Don't regret not going after your dream. So give y'all dreams and goals a chance. Go after them. But it's gonna be the end of this one. I love and appreciate y'all with all my heart, you feel me? If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now, you know? And y'all giving me motivation. Y'all telling me to keep going, and that's what I'm trying to do. So it's gonna be the end of this one. I need to go back and try to finish painting my cutlass. Y'all don't know this, but yeah, I was in the middle. I was doing 2 videos at once, basically. This one and repainting my door panels on my cutlass. So I need to hurry up and finish that before it get dark, and then I'm gonna let it dry overnight. So let me get back to that. I'll catch y'all on the next one.